Hey guys, it's Creations by Hellena. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into how I make my alcohol ink coasters. So first thing, I got to add the ink to my coasters. I put down 3 drops of one color, then I give it a quick dry. And then I add a second color. Give those a dry. It's important to dry it because that will help it for it to move. Okay, now I'm adding just pure 91% alcohol to the coasters and into the ink. And that will help it to move it around with the heat gun that I've got going. That's why I'm talking so loud. Okay, let's get started. Now it's really important to kind of push it around, but not so much that it just falls right off. But what you'll notice is that I'm getting these really beautiful soft lines. So I want to keep those and just keep going down. I will lose some of the ink, but not all of it. But if you keep going, just from side to side, the ink will tell you where you want it to go, where it wants to go. And so now I'm just following the design that the ink has created. And a little bit right here to dry it off. And there you go. Check it out. See you next time.